Hi everybody, today we're going to learn ways to manage our feelings. Tiago's tips. This first activity is called feather blowing. Feather blowing is helpful before bedtime, or when you get frustrated, or when you're doing homework. Put one hand on your belly. Sit up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in through your nose and blow slowly towards the feather. Now let's do the dragon's breath. Dragon's breath is like having a fire in your belly. And all we want to do is put the fire out. If we can remember to breathe like a dragon, we can release the fire from our bodies. Take a big deep breath through your nose. Open your mouth, stick out your tongue, and exhale a roar of flames through your mouth. Now let's try some yoga. Try these moves at home to manage stress. The first yoga move is called mountain. Stand with your feet apart, hands to your side, eyes opened or closed. Notice your breath. Notice your feet planted on the ground. You are safe, steady, and strong. This one's called the moon. For the moon, inhale and raise your arms over your head. Exhale, leaning to one side. Inhale, reaching hands to the ceiling. Exhale and lean to the other side. This one's called the waterfall. For the waterfall, inhale and reach your hands toward the ceiling. Exhale and fold your body leaning to the floor. This one's called the windmill. Touch your right foot with your left hand. Touch your left foot with your right hand. This one is the downward dog. Stretch your arms up high. Then bring your hands to the ground. Exhale and move your feet back. This is the frog jump. Start with your downward dog position. Inhale and bend your knees. Exhale and push up and you jump. Great job! Do these moves to manage stress. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Adios amigos. Adios amigos! This is another way to calm down.